Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, March 27, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading higher by about 11.5 points right now to 26.71 per contract. All in all, the futures continuing their meteoric rise from yesterday. Yesterday was an absolute monster move to the upside. And today we're getting a little bit of morning follow-through. But again, we'll see how the market finishes the day. That's what's going to be more important than anything else. We do have a few stocks in the news today. Not many companies reporting earnings this week, but we do have a few. And the first one we're going to take a look at here is going to be Red Hat. Ticker symbol is RHT. And this is open source software. And the stock right now is flying high. It closed at 153.09. Now trading at 164 a share. So this, I believe, is a new all-time high for Red Hat. Sensational move for the stock. And all in all, if you own it, trail the stop loss. I would not be a buyer up here at this level. This doesn't mean the stock can't go higher. It's just very overbought at this moment. Very parabolic. Anytime a stock makes that kind of formation, it usually will stall out or pull back at some point. So if you own Red Hat, trail the stop loss or take your money off the table. If you don't own it, I would leave it alone here at this point in time, at this level. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at MKC, which is McCormick. This company also reported earnings today. Stock right now is trading at right around the 111 level. Closed at 106.97. So this is a very good pop as well. If you own this one, trail the stop loss as well. You don't want to get too cute with these equities that are making new all-time highs right now. But this is a good morning move for MKC. So again, we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, the stock is showing pretty good strength here. So we'll see how it shakes out. But again, it is overbought and a little bit extended here. So despite the really fantastic pop this morning, you got to protect it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Overstock, OSTK. Looks like there's some news out on the stock. They're going to issue, I believe, they're going to offer 4 million shares. That's going to dilute the stock or send it lower. Stock right now is trading at $40.15. Closed at $44.60. I honestly don't see anything till this stock gets down to around 29, 30 bucks. So again, all in all, this is trading a little bit lower today. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. But I really have no desire to own this name at this point in time. When it gets down to $29, $30, I do think there's a lot of support there for Overstock. And then we might even see that stock get down there today. But right now, at this point in time, it is trading a little bit lower. But I just don't see a play on this name at all. Let's take a look at LFIN. LFIN is the ticker symbol here. This is Longfin Corp. Again, this stock got hammered yesterday after earnings. I'm just going to show you the daily chart. So, was making a nice move. Earnings came out. The stock sold off, and it's down pretty significantly again this morning. So, again, I'm not exactly sure what the news is on this one. But nonetheless, it is trading down pretty sharply, and I think traders got to be a little bit careful. It is about a 19-20% decline from yesterday. Oh, it looks like they're going to be removed from the Russell indexes. So again, pretty good weakness there. You got to be a little bit careful now with this name, and we'll see how it plays out. But I would be very careful with this stock at the moment. This is not, this is a pretty big decline when you go basically from $75 or $74 down to around $45. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it's playing out in the intraday stock chat room, and we'll leave it at that. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Crude oil today trading up 69 cents to $66.24 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you're going to see here is the USO trading at $13.35. That's a good little move there for crude, and crude continues to hold up very well, and it's very strong at this point in time. Spot crude is battling with a double top here, so you got to be a little bit guarded there, a little bit careful. But right now, crude oil showing some strength ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is down $7 today. trading at $1,348. Gold has had a great run, though. It's been an amazing run. I think the run is close to being over, but nonetheless, it has had a sensational run. And if you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 127.30. Closed at 128.28 yesterday, so that's coming off the recent highs pretty well. And if you take a look at a daily chart of the GLD, you'll notice you're into these tops right here. So there should be a very good amount of resistance for GLD and also for gold and spot gold and gold miners here. And again, it really has to do with the dollar. The dollar is showing a little bit of strength today, trading back above the 89 level. And again, dollar up, gold down. It's kind of just that simple at this stage of the game. Something changes there, we will let you know. But nonetheless, gold pulling back today, gold miners pulling back today, and the GLD, which is gold ETF, retreating. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today. With that being said, everyone, if you have not done so yet, we've had just an absolute monster trading day yesterday, and great 2018 overall. Every day seems to be one better than the next. If you haven't done so, come on over, trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. And again, we get any kind of movement out here. We're getting lots of trades. Volatility remains pretty high. That means we get lots of action as well. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and come join us. We're having a sensational 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going not only into the end of the month, but also into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful trading day, and we will see you on the charts.